Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I customize my party group covers. This is something that I think is really fun and it just helps my party be more personable for my host. So I'm going to share my screen here, hopefully. Oh, I don't have that up. I'm still learning how to do this. So let's see, share my screen. And we're gonna come over to my favoriteest ever, uh, editing software? No, content creating software. I'm not sure exactly what you would call it, but Canva is my favorite in the whole world. Um, Please, this is something new. If you haven't used Canva before, it's something new. It's going to take time to learn. I don't be hard on yourself if you don't just automatically understand how to use it the first couple times you look at it. It's something new. Give yourself some grace. Take some time to learn it. I use the premium version of Canva. I'm at a place in my business where I can justify paying for it. Please use the free version for a while. Don't jump in too quickly. I'm not. I do apologize. I'm not sure what on here is premium and what is free. So if you're struggling to find something that I'm doing, uh, reach out to me and we'll see if we can figure out how to do it with the free version. So what I love here is that you can just type in, I'm going to do a Facebook group cover. So Facebook cover, I'm pretty sure it's this one right here. Facebook cover. It does tell you it's 1640 by 924. Now this is something that is a pretty cool little trick. You can go over here to Google and you can search Facebook group cover photo size. Or maybe you're creating a YouTube video and you want to create a quick little YouTube thumbnail. You can Google YouTube thumbnail size. You can search Instagram, anything that you're creating, you can Google what the exact size is of it so that you know exactly what to create. So this is going to be 1640 by 856. So let's come back over here and go to 1640. Okay, so it's a little bit different. So let's see. I think you can also go create a design. Let's see if it has it over here. Facebook group cover. So it doesn't have Facebook group cover, but you can do custom size. So what did it say? 1640, 856. Okay, and we're going to create our image. All right, so we've got this clean slate, depending on what time of year it is. In the spring, I might use like some flowers or something cute and springy. Right now, I want to use something fall and cozy and autumn. So I'm just going to come over here and in elements, I'm going to search fall. Let's see what we can find. So you can use any of these images that are free. Some of them are going to say premium, and of course, those are going to be the ones that are with the premium version. But let's just find something simple that'll be a nice background. So this is oh, that's a pro image. So this one isn't going to be one. We'll go ahead and not use it then. Let's see. Let's use leaves. So we're going to right click and we're going to set this image as our background. You're going to click on it again. I like to use this little button up here, the transparency button, because just to kind of so that it's not so over, I don't want it to take away from the text that I'm going to put on. So we've got that. You could even put cute little stickers on there too if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that. You can't, if you're using it as an image, I don't believe you can, I don't think you can do it to where it moves. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to come up here to text. And you can, if you like something over here, you can click on one of these and you can edit it from there. There's a launch party. See, so you can definitely use the text that's already created. I don't want to do that. I think I'm just going to do my own little thing. I'm going to start with this big one up here. Oh, I always misspell my own name. That's how I roll. Okay, so I don't know. Let's see. I don't know how big I want that. Feathers. Let's use a pretty scripty one. I like that one. I also like Moonstone is another really pretty one. See how cute? I think I like that one. We're just gonna move it around. And then I'm gonna do a separate text down here. Launch party. Or maybe, and you can just have fun with the name. You can come up with whatever you want. And then maybe we'll play with this one a little bit too. Maybe make that a little bit bigger. Sometimes you can, I'll put shop the harvest and oh, holiday line through, I don't know, and then you can put whatever your party end date is. Maybe you want to end it on October 16th. Make this one a little bit bigger. And maybe we want to, you can do whatever you want here. This is just where you have, you can also come in here if you want to edit your, now you can just, pretty much what I did is just got in here and I just played around with stuff. We can make that a little more bold. Maybe make it a little bit bigger so we can read it. And then you are just going to download this. Super easy. Download that. And then, oh, our design saved. And then we're going to go over here. And we're going to go to our groups. Now I'm going to come over here to my business page. And I will make a different video on creating a business page, but right now I'm going to show you how I create a group. So I'm going to go into more and then groups. I create all of my party groups from my business page. And you can see here are parties that I've created in the past, and they all have the similar cover pages. So groups, and then I'm going to create a linked group. Here is Heather's launch party. And I'm choosing private. I always want it to be a private group. And create. Okay, so here's my party group that I'm going to be inviting my host to, but first I want to add that I'll make that go away. Oh no, do that. There we go. Okay, so you can drag that to position it, and then you're going to save your changes. What else I like to do is when I'm working from my business page, I like to go ahead and invite myself, my personal self, as a guest. So here's my personal self page. I'm going to invite myself to this party. And then I'm also going to go ahead and make myself my personal page an admin. That way I can interact in this party both as my business page and as my personal self. But I hope that this is helpful, and let me know if there is anything that I can do to help you. Now let's see here. Don't mind me, I just have to figure out how to stop this. All right, see you guys later.